My name is Alan Reed. I'm the plant manager of Oldcastle Precast, the Croydon location. We make concrete pipe anywhere from 12 to 72 inch. We supply the tri-state area mostly. Every day we're seeing deliveries of sand, cement, and stone come in, and we're producing pipe one after another. It's a high production facility. We currently have about 10 lift trucks on site. I was pleasantly surprised with the Hyundai. I didn't know much about Hyundai trucks. I was very careful when looking at the specs of the truck, before we ordered them. Reliability, the views are good with the windows. The backup cameras are really nice. Warranty seems to be fine. Modern has always responded very well. I don't hesitate to make a phone call or an email real quick, and they respond. So far, Hyundai I find reliable, does the job, and I have no regrets.